Today I will discuss related LIC's Jeevan Labh 936 plan details in English. The product summary. Jeevan Labh plan 936 is a limited premium paying not linked with profit endowment assurance plan. In this policy, the premium payment mode is yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly ECS also. Term is 16 years, 21 years and 25 years. Also, the premium paying term, which means PPT, is for term 16 years, PPT 10 years, mane premium paying term 10 years. For term 21 years, PPT means premium paying term is 15 years and the 25 years PPT is 16 years. Minimum entry age 8 years completed and the maximum entry age is 59 years nearest birthday. Maximum maturity age is 75 years. Minimum sum assured. In this policy, the minimum sum assured is 2 lakhs only and the maximum sum assured no limits depending upon income. Maximum accidental death and disability benefit rider up to age 70 years. In this policy, the policy benefit is on death, basic sum assured or 7 times of annualized premium or 105% of all premiums paid as on death, whichever is higher. On survival. On survival, basic sum assured plus reversionary bonus plus FAB. It means final additional bonus. In this policy, surrender value also available. The policy can be surrendered at any time during the policy term period. At least 2 full years premium have been paid. Loan also available in this policy and the loan facility is available under this plan after payment of premiums for at least 2 full years. Income tax benefit also available in this policy. Premium paid under this plan is eligible for tax rebate under section 80C. Maturity under this plan is free under section 1010D also.